So, you want to perfect your straight arm back extension roll. Maybe you have a regular back extension roll, but are having trouble going from bent arms to straight arms. Or maybe you've learned your straight arm back extension roll, but you're having some issue. Well, whatever the case, you've come to the right place because that's exactly what we're going to deal with today. Now, the first thing you want to master when it comes to the straight arm back extension roll is your hand placement. You do not want the hand placement to be like they are in a regular handstand where your thumbs face one another, but you rather want the middle fingers to face one another. And you want to make sure you keep the elbows nice, straight, and tight. And this is the position you'll want to have as you go into your handstand. Now, the first drill that you want to do to strengthen your muscles to do the straight arm back extension roll is some push-ups. But you don't just want to do the push-ups like regular with the thumbs facing each other. You want to do the hand placement for your straight arm back extension roll with the middle fingers facing one another. And every time you go down in the push-up, you want to explode up as fast as possible and hold it a little bit before you go back down, working on really squeezing those triceps. The next thing you want to work on is what I call straight arm shoulder extension rocks. And what you want to do, you want to start from a downward dog position with your hands in the position for your straight arm back extension roll and tight elbows. And you want to lean forward to where your shoulders pass your wrist. And you want to explode back to that downward dog position and do this over and over, reinforcing strong shoulders. The last exercise that you want to master is you want to master candlestick lifts. Now, how you do these, you lay on your back with your feet pointed toward the ceiling with straight legs, and you want to shoot your feet up to the ceiling as fast as possible and then lower and do this over and over. You can start out doing it with your hands by your hips, so you can use your hands to assist you a little bit. But then you want to move your hands over your head, putting them in that position for your straight arm back extension roll, and shoot your hips up to the ceiling and back down over and over, reinforcing fast hips so we can hit that handstand. And now we're ready to start putting it all together. You want to start off doing your straight arm back extension roll on an elevated surface. You can lay down on your back, make sure your shoulders are at the edge. So when you do your straight arm back extension roll, your hands go to the lower surface. You want to start out with a higher surface, but you want to work your way down until eventually you can get to the floor. And now you should have your straight arm back extension roll. If this video was helpful to you, make sure that you like, subscribe, and share this with anyone you think can be helped by the tips and drills that I provide. And if you happen to be struggling with your regular back extension roll, make sure you watch this video so that when you come back to your straight arm back extension roll, it will be that much stronger. You guys have a good day.